Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through some lower back exercises now to help with mobility. Really good for disc pathologies as well. So placing a rolled up towel behind the lower back. We're going to keep the feet just out from the wall a little bit so you've got a little bit of weight coming into the wall. So for a start, you're just going to rotate the pelvis side to side. So we're mobilizing through the lower back, through the pelvis, with that pressure onto the towel on the back. So you'll feel a little bit of that nice massage of those muscles through there. So you're going to walk down with your body as you go, still rotating. So you're walking up and down the towel gradually. So you do about 6 of those up and down the towel as you're rotating. And then we're going to work through just some side bending. So you're going to just buckle one knee and then straighten it, buckle one knee and then straighten it. So your hips are going from side to side, up and down, while the towel's in one position. So then you move the towel up slightly and then you're doing that same rotational movement. So the whole time you're imagining the contents of the discs, so the jelly section of the discs between the vertebra, moving forward as you're doing it because you're pushing that forward by having the towel behind you. So you're trying to arch the back over the towel as you're doing these movements and move the towel up again. So it might be 2 or 3 positions that you can have the towel in up to those lower ribs where you're doing these movements. And then you can pop the towel back about the middle of the back and you can walk up the towel and then you can walk down the towel. So you're just bringing the hips down and moving up the towel as you go. So a couple of minutes doing that combination of exercises. If there's one in particular that feels better, then focus on that one. But if you can get all 3 out, then you'll find you'll get great benefit through those discs in the lower back.